Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today you join us at number 8 Longtye Drive in Chestfield. Now this is a substantially extended and completely remodelled executive detached family home, and it offers a wonderful modern way of living. Now coming straight through into this incredible sized entrance hall here, you'll see just how light and bright and airy this space and the entire property really is. You've got this wonderful flooring which runs throughout this entire hallway space, but again you've got a really nice amount of light coming through the windows at the front there. And coming through to the main lounge area at the front of the property, it's nice, you can see we've got that lovely big window there at the front, but you've also got that wonderful wood burning stove there as well. You do have the internal doors there leading us through to the family kitchen and dining area there at the back of the property, so this lounge is nicely able to be separated. So again, really lovely size here. We're going to go back through into the main entrance hall now and go through to just an incredible organisation of space here at the back. You've got this amazing fully integrated kitchen space. Of course you have a full range of fitted appliances here, but just take a look at the amount of light that's just flooding through. Of course you've got those wonderful bifold doors there at the back, and of course the light coming in through the ceiling there as well. Just a really beautiful amount of space, but it's been organised so well. Coming just off to the left here, you've got of course this really nice little family area which can be opened up through to the lounge at the front as well, so you really can open all of this space up in the summertime and enjoy this space with family and friends, and of course perhaps host a party or two. Now just taking a look at the kitchen area here, it's certainly worth noting that you do have this really handy utility space. So of course with this utility space you do have the plumbing there for the washing machine and a nice amount of space to tuck another fridge away there as well. Coming just around to the right hand side, I'm going to show you a really interesting bit of space here. We do have a fantastic storage cupboard, access through to the garage, and then we've also got the downstairs cloakroom. So what we're going to do next is go back through the ground floor living space, back into the main entrance hall, and then we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the property's 4 bedrooms and the main family bathroom. So here we are upstairs, and of course this is a lovely light and bright and airy space again, and you'll notice the views coming out of the rear of the property. You'll see we're overlooking the playing fields to the rear, so again a really wonderful outlook, and of course a lovely sized garden that we will take a look at a little bit later on in the tour. First bedroom there, of course, really good size, plenty of space. Coming through to the second of the 4 bedrooms that we've got up here, again a lovely good sized room, certainly enough space in here for a good sized bed, and of course the windows there at the front as well. Plenty of space in here, fantastic sized room. Coming back through, we're going to go through and take a look at yet again another bedroom just off of the landing space here. Again, a lovely double-sized room, plenty of space in here, not only for the bed but also for the wardrobe storage as well. And again, lovely window there just overlooking the driveway that we have here at the property, and that is a very impressive sized driveway as well. Plenty of off-road parking here, and of course we're in Chestfield, so you've got that wonderful village location. Of course you've got everything on your doorstep here. Whitstable and Tankerton only a few short moments away, but again the Chestfield barn and of course Chestfield golf course only a few moments away. Coming through now to the main family bathroom, you can see we've got a lovely modern suite there. You've got that lovely window there at the back, but of course that nice rainforest shower head there as well. Coming through to the main bedroom here, bedroom number 1, of course, this is a lovely double-sized room. You've got that lovely window there at the back, just overlooking, again, those views across the playing fields. And look at this, you've got a fantastic dressing room and also the ensuite shower room here as well. Absolutely brilliant. So we'll go back through the main bedroom, take another quick look at that, and then we'll go out into the rear garden. I'll leave you for a few moments to have a good look at the rear garden space, and then of course we'll recap a few main points on this property at the end. So there we have it. We've had a really good look around the main property, and of course we've come into the rear garden, and looking back at the property you can see it looks just as beautiful from the back as it does from the front. Of course, we'll recap a few points on this property. Of course, this is a very large south-facing rear garden, so you're going to have that sun pretty much all day. This is a 4-bedroom detached family home, substantially extended and completely remodelled by the current owners to now offer an incredible modern family home. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, give us a call today to book your own free valuation.